Hello, welcome to my channel, The Hebrew Bible. This is Moses Gumadi, and today let us read Psalm 103 verses 1 to 5 in Hebrew. Psalm 103 verses 1 to 5. Let's begin with verse 1. LeDavid, to David. Barachi Nafshi et Adonai. Bless the Lord, O my soul. Barachi Nafshi et Adonai, vechol Qeravai et Shem Qadsho. Vechol Qeravai et Shem Qadsho. Verse 2. Barachi Nafshi et Adonai, ve'al Tishkechi kol Gemulav. Ve'al Tishkechi kol Gemulav. Verse 3. Hassoleach. Remember, this patach is a furtive patach. It is just right before the het. So we pronounce like ruach, like how we pronounce in ruach. We say Hassoleach. It is not Hassolecha. It is Hassoleach. Lechol Avoneichi. Hassoleach lechol Avoneichi. Harofei lechol Thachalu'ayechi. So many syllables are there. Thachalu'ayechi. Thachalu'ayechi. Harofei lechol Thachalu'ayechi. Verse 4. Haggoel Misshachat Chayyayechi. So we are stressing this, doubling these letters here with the dagesh. Haggoel Misshachat Chayyayechi. Again, you have a dagesh. Haggoel Misshachat Chayyayechi. Hammasbiya Chesed ve'rachamim. Hammasbiya Chesed ve'rachamim. Verse 5. Hammasbiya, shin has a left side dot here, so it is sa. Hammasbiya Battov, Edyeich, Thitchaddesh, Kennesher, Nevurayechi. Hammasbiya Battov, Edyeich, Thitchaddesh, Kennesher, Nevurayechi. That's the verse 5. Who satisfieth thy mouth with good things, so that thy youth is renewed like the eagles. Thank you very much for watching this video. I trust this was useful for you. You could remember, you could memorize the verses in Hebrew, and also look at the English translation, try to pronounce them, and hopefully you will learn. Please do like this video if you like it, and comment if you want to, and do please subscribe to my channel. Forward it to your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.